Was senior SAS officially reported Kumasi Asante Kotoko confirmed the first signing for the club. Where a striker from Sudan, he said the report Abdoelkarem Abdourahman officially Asante Kotoko confirmed say or must sign side player no from Sudan officially Kotoko confirmed details ni nyina no e wa ha me de bro it was Super 24 TV so player no and that screen so no or a striker Kotoko welcomes him to Ghana. Now Asante Kotoko we 12 minutes ago and I post here our social media handle no so or see the newest addition to the Porcupine family is Abdoelkarem Abdourahman Yusuf Yakubu. The Away Al-Wadi of Sudan striker joins us on a year contract. Let's just say player no to say the catch also Ofri Al-Wadi of Sudan. Now we're joining Kumasi Asante Kotoko on a year contract. Let's just say was signed for 1 year. Was signed for 1 year. And Kumasi Asante Kotoko first signing for the season 2024-2025. A striker no Ofri Sudan. Let's just say clearly a Kwasiapia recommendation na ye bon ho dawura no eno na abama be official no be say nsem no ye di kan tete ne yate obonse abe official so the way Al-Wadi of Sudan striker joins us on a year contract with the club option of a permanent deal. So na Kotoko bro for there or say player no the striker joins us on a year contract with the club of option of a permanent deal. Permanent deal there so I joining for 1 year. The permanent deal baby more the say after 1 year no Kotoko option to sign for another season maybe asana or patchere and I say Kotoko I don't need a 1 year and a Kotoko sign and that's the official me call website or me call kind sign it into Kotoko our coming akwaba Yakubu into Kotoko supporters minim edin I am fan free player we need din ya for Abdoelkarem Abdourahman Yusuf Yakubu edin no nti say Kumasi Ghana commentators obeto say Kotoko ashegua Abdoelkarem and I say Yakubu that is Yakai Sonny Yakuba but we dey Yakuba Abdoelkarem Abdourahman from Sudan obebo etiakra so folk 2 weeks down na you ever heard no Kotoko resume training so I ever come na yakohwe no because edno the videos be na trending go be our share and wrong. Let's try and the video no abro. It was Super 24 TV also. Yakubu.